Hello everyone. So today we're gonna be making some strawberry shortcake, and I'm gonna walk you through our full tutorial on how we make our recipe. So I hope you like it. We are gonna start off with chopping up our strawberries. So we are taking our bowl of strawberries and we're putting a 1/4 cup of sugar all over, and we're gonna let that mix up, and we'll be refrigerating this while we make our dough. So our next step is to mix all of our dry ingredients. So we're gonna be mixing flour, baking powder, some sugar, and some salt. So we are gonna whisk that and continue to whisk so that there are no clumps at all. So a good way to make sure that there are no clumps is to continuously whisk in circles, just so that if any clumps are in there, the whisk will break them up as you're mixing. Now we're gonna be making our dough. So I'm taking a cup of heavy cream and 1/2 stick of butter that's melted, and I'm getting it into my mixer. So we wanna make sure this is combined really well, and then we're gonna be putting our dry ingredients in there. Now that we have our dough, we're gonna be splitting it into 6 equal pieces and baking them. Okay, so now while the shortcakes are in the oven, we're gonna make our whipped cream. So I have a 1.5 cups of heavy cream, some sugar, and some vanilla. Delicious. So we're waiting for our shortcakes to finish baking, and then we'll be plating everything together. Okay, our shortcakes are baked. They look beautiful. Okay, so we're ready to plate our little shortcake. We're gonna do an open face today. So I'm gonna take a couple of strawberries, get them right on top. The strawberries have been sitting in the sugar and they look delicious. And a nice blob of whipped cream. And there you have it, your little strawberry shortcake. Enjoy. We're gonna taste test. You have to make these. Delicious.